This is Sandbaggy's flexible American-made ADA tiles. The best part about these is that it takes 5 minutes to install. They're super lightweight, and all you need to do is put the sticky down and you're done. First step is broom, clean the area, get rid of all the dust. Now, what we do is stand on one side of the ADA tile, peel it back, remove the sticky. Start with that first. Now we're going to put down that last piece. The very last step is, with the sealant that's included in the package, you're going to put the sealant all around the edges of the tile.